Hello, once again it's Brent Sute with Mortgage America with a quick video update. And today I just wanted to pass on a story of a client of a friend of mine, a loan officer friend of mine. And this client had a very smooth time applying for the loan. Everything was going great. They gave all their paperwork early. They were looking at closing on at the end of the month. And about 3 days before closing, what had happened was the underwriter repulled the client's credit report and discovered a new account, a new loan that was on the actual credit report. And so that caused some major issues because what happened was they had to refigure the debt ratio, and that put them really close to not qualifying for the loan. And so everybody was really upset. They were really it was really touch and go, but they found a way to get the client qualified, and they ended up closing on time. But there's a lot of stress there at the end, and that stress, quite frankly, could have been avoided if the client had followed a few steps. And so we're going to talk about the steps that you can take during the loan application process to avoid having some of these issues at closing. Now, a few years ago, a really good friend of mine named Linda Davidson, she's a great loan officer from Dallas, Texas. She passed on a list to me called the 10 Commandments when applying for a mortgage. The 10 Commandments when applying for a mortgage. And they appear in my book here, Finding Your Way Home, A Story of Home Ownership. And I'm just going to read real quick the 10 Commandments when applying for a mortgage. Number 1, thou shalt not change jobs, become self-employed, or quit your job. Number 2, thou shalt not buy a car, truck, or van where you may be living in it. Number 3, thou shalt not use credit cards excessively or let current accounts fall behind. Number 4, thou shalt not spend money you have set aside for closing. Number 5, thou shalt not omit debts or liabilities from your loan application. Number 6, thou shalt not buy furniture. Number 7, thou shalt not originate any inquiries into your credit. Number 8, thou shalt not make large deposits without checking with your loan officer first. Number 9, thou shalt not change bank accounts. And number 10, thou shalt not co-sign a loan for anyone. Now, these are some simple steps that we can follow, and we can advise our buyers and clients and friends to follow to avoid some of the major issues that could pop up that could delay the closing or jeopardize the closing even. And so if you would like a copy of the list, feel free to email me. You can email me at brent.sute@gmail.com. That's brent.sute@gmail.com. Or if you'd like a copy of the book, feel free to let me know also. Or if you just want to talk or have any inquiries whatsoever, like for me to speak with any of your clients, friends, family, or yourself about a loan, just feel free to give me a call at 205-310-2335. And I hope you have a great day and a very blessed week. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.